Sobrang effort.
Ilang roses ba yan?
Actually, ginagawa ko lang po siya.
Binilang mo ta.
10? Bakit 10 lang?
10 is 4.
No, but it's the petals that represents Miguel's love for...
Wala.
Ang taba ng utak nito.
Tradition ginamit niya na every Valentine.
Every Valentine.
Last Valentine yung one rose na hindi.
Bakit one lang?
He gave me, it's actually called an enchanted rose. Kasi yung rose na yun, nasa loob siya ng glass. Have you seen Beauty and the Beast? Yeah, that's how it looks like. It was inside a glass
rose.
dome. Yes, it was a preserved rose. Tapos yung binigay niya sa akin may light sa loob. So,
They are not cheap. So.
Pareho siya lang.
They are, I'm letting you guys know. That's a really gentleman move.
Yeah, and he gave it to me na...
Your pocket got lighter now.
You know what? This guy should have his own show. Talk show.
Talk show.
Miguel, 9 years na this year.
9 years?
Magna 9? So young. Magna 9 years.
They are.
They are still young. But I know, 9 years ago, you were how old?
Pero hindi ko lang kung may love team. Siguro, work sa
Yeah, when we met,
You started 2012. When we did sa Paroa.
2012 po pa, Paroa.
Parang lahat ng mga shows ko.
7.
Meron ka bang ma-share about sa kanya ikaw kay Bianca na parang hindi alam masyado ito ba? So, 9 years
Ano pong gusto niya? Yung joke. Masishare ko kay Bianca. Ano gusto mo share? Si Bianca, mahilig siyang mag-mix ng mga pagkain na weird. For example,
Cheese and coffee. Strawberry ice cream and calamaris.
weird na pagkain.
Strawberry ice cream and calamaris. I know it's weird, but it's good.
You baptized.
You should try. You should try. That's one.
Sabay, as in like, it tops it.
Nakatop yung calamaris.
Imagine going to Cold Rock and
It's
ordering.
good.
Can you get some calamari in my ice
It's
cream?
good. It's good. Bakit?
Ikaw,
Hindi alam ng mga tao.
Ayun. Oh,
Kasi lahat.
Laglagan. Tara.
Takot siya sa ipis.
Oh.
Super takot siya sa ipis.
Hindi napapasigaw.
Yes, there was one time.
Sinungaling me.
There was one time. We were on video call. So, FaceTime. And nasa room siya. Nasa room niya siya. Tapos, ang nangyari, may na-feel siyang gumagapang.
Uy, hindi naman ako magapang.
Meron.
Hindi ka naman dami yung bahay namin.
Wala naman nagsa-judge. Wait lang. Doon sa bed niya po, meron may na-feel siya. Nakapuwan mo
Ang
siya.
dumi ng kwarto mo, Mix.
Wait lang. Huwag niyo i-judge yung madumi kwarto niya. Malinis kwarto. Tapos,
Yung kwarto
so
ko, hindi.
napatalon siya. And then, nagpanic siya na ano daw yung na-feel niyang tumutusok-tusok sa legs niya. And then, finally, nung pinagpagpagpag yung bed niya, lumabas yung flying ipis.
Ay, flying.
It was a flying ipis and then it went, alam naman po natin flying ipis, diba? When we try to kill it.
Di ba pwede naglalakad lang siya?
It goes like around, right? So, ang nangyari po kay Miguel, kumuha po siya ng, it was not a magazine or basta a paper. Tapos niro niya pong ganun. So, mukha siyang sword. And then, ang ginawa po niya, ganito po talaga yung tsura niya, promise, please. As in, super,
Hindi mo na kailangan din kwento
you
na
know,
dito.
super effort push talaga. As in, fighting stance, ganyan. Tapos yung kapanic siya. Pati, iwala niya. Super fighting stance siya, patayin yung ipis. But then, napatay mo. Pero sumisigaw po siya, promise ang ingay niya dun sa bahay nila. Kasi hindi niya mapatay.
Pero for sure,
Wala na siya.
kasi hindi naman ang mga tatay. Okay, ako naman ah.
Oh, isa pa.